Hey guys, Rich Pasini from Everyday Vlogging. I just want to say thank you to all the new subscribers who recently subscribed to my channel. And this video is all about 18 billionaires who only have a high school diploma. Check it out, guys. You got from Ralph Lauren all the way down to Steve Wozniak. I'm sure you're familiar with a lot of these people. If you're not, I'll give you the URL so you can check out the rest of the story here. But it's pretty interesting. You know me, I always like to look into things. I'm very curious by nature, and I thought I'd share this with you guys just in case you were curious like me. I'm always curious. I always want to learn new things and you know, follow up on certain topics and stuff. So I just thought maybe you guys would get a kick out of this here. Check it out, and to validate it, to even let you know that it's true, you can check it out over here. There's a video clip here coming up, and I'm gonna let you check it out. So thanks again, guys, for sticking around.
Whoa! I just got invited to give the commencement address at Harvard this year.
That's amazing.
I remember you did it 10 years ago when Priscilla graduated. I was there.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. You know, 30 years later than I was supposed to, but I enjoyed it.
They know we didn't actually graduate, right?
Oh, that is the best part. They actually give you a degree.
You don't even have to go to class?
No, you just put that degree on your resume and it looks great.
Can you help me figure out what I'm going to say?
Yeah, we should work on it together. Let's go get some more snacks.
All right. So you get to wear the hat and everything?
Yeah, you bet. Don't wear anything underneath.